Who'd like to come and say hello? Harry, well done. Him make the first move. It's only polite. So, then you wait and see if he bows back. And if he does, you can go and touch him. Just make your bow. Nice and low. Back off, Harry. Back off. Still. Well done, Harry. Well done. Yeah, big brute, yeah. Right. I think you can go and pat him now. Go on. Don't be shy, slow now. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Oh, not so fast, Harry. Nice and slow. Now let him come to you. Yes. Oh, well done, Harry. Well done. Think he lay like you ride him now. What? Come on.
Hey!
Over here. Just
Hagrid.
the wing joint.
Whoa!